This is the abandoned village, and this is the one of the original one, isn't it, Dad?
Mm-hmm.
It's a, you see the roof? It's a
Such.
It's a hutch.
Such.
Yeah. And see the view around, guys. Daddy George is gonna show you the view around. Yeah. Alright. So when we're near halfway, we are nearly halfway now.
Hmm?
Nandito na kami sa taas. We are up here now. It's a good view. Yeah, and a good view around. Yeah, it's all rocks. Yeah. Okay, we'll go down. Alright, Dad.
My mobile tells you this one, remember?
Yeah. Ito guys, paakyat na kami, oh. Akala namin yung ano, yung straight lang yung path, pero ano siya, pasigsag hanggang na makarating ka doon sa taas. So ito diyan pa kami dadaan, oh. Tapos paikot pa kami dito sa ano ng bundok, guys. Yan ang view, oh. Ang ganda na. Tingnan nyo. Very rocky na siya. Yan. Yan.
500 feet.
500. So, kung saan kami nakatayo, 500 feet from above the sea level. From sea level. So, ganon kataas na kami, guys. 600 feet. Ang taas, ha? Ang taas. Pero, not too bad. Kasi, hinto-hinto lang kami. Pag, medyo hinihingal na talaga. Pero, ano siya. Yan, ang ganda. So, it's not that dangerous, Dad. The rock's not falling. You know, tingnan nyo, guys. Hingal-hingal. Magandang earth exercise. Medyo malamig na. It's a little bit cooler up here. Not cooler, just really cold. So, ito yung rock kanina, guys, na nakita sa baba. Tingnan nyo, ang ganda. Yan. We're nearly there. We are nearly. Hingal-hingal. Hingal-hingal. You got signal, Dad? We got signal, good signal here. Look. Oh, nandito na kami, guys, oh. Malapit na. Just maybe get until we get there. No. Nauhaw na si Daddy. Yeah, it's look like quite close, isn't it? But of course the path is zigzag. So, yan. Dito na kami. So, ito yung mission namin today. Akyat dito sa bundok. Yan. Yan, paikot. Yan. Yun. Tingnan nyo, guys. Ang ganda ng view. Look. See. No, I'm okay. Yan. So, yan no, ang ganda oh. Yan. Yan ang view dito sa taas. Yan. You see the shadow? Look at the shadow of that one there.
Yeah,
You see
you
it?
can see that craggy peak there.
Yeah. You see that there, guys? That's the shadow of that rocks. The one that behind us here. The shadow. Grabe. Ang ganda. So actually the village there, they're not really only how many houses there? I'm on the top. I'm on the top. I'm on the top. Yeah. Oh goodness. Alright. Okay. Push, daddy, push. Back now. Parang ano siya, parang didi, parang nipples. Look at that, parang nipples. So, ito yung view. Nakikita nyo? Yan ang view. Yan. Tapos, dito na yan. Yan ang ano, yun na yung dagat. Tapos yung ano doon, no, yung sa kabila ng dagat, mayroong parang ano siya, mountain. Scotland na yun, guys. So, yun ang another village, farming village. Yan. So, ito yung ano, ito yung view. Daddy! Kaway-kaway, Dad! Yan, nagkaway-kaway si Daddy. Yan, yan ang view. Yun ang pinaka-ano na rock, oh. Yan sa may behind ni Daddy, oh. Yun ang yung makita kanina sa taas na puwente siya. So, ito na yun. So, nandito na kami talaga sa taas. Yan. Yan. Yan ang view. Pero, ano dito guys, a little bit scary din kasi yung maraming mga rocks na ano, nahuhulog or alam mo pag yung after ng winter, yung mga rocks, naglulus sila eh. So, minsan mayroong nahuhulog. So, ito yung, ano, ito yung dagat. So, grabe. I cannot believe na nakaakyat kami dito sa taas. So, yun. Kasi nagtanong kami kanina doon sa, ano, sa farmer, kung pwede makaakyat dito. So, at saka may nakita kaming, ano, kanina, tao na dito nakatayo din siya. So sabi ko, pwede bang umakyat doon? Sabi niya, oo. Sabi niya, ano, kaso lang yung daan, sigsag ang daan guys, hindi yung diretso. So sabi ko, sige, mga 10 minutes lang naman daw ang, ano, ang walking. Pero actually, not only 10 minutes. I think it's take us like maybe half an hour kasi humihinto-hinto kami. Kasi grabe eh, hinihingal kami. At saka maganda lang yung may stick kami na bit-bit. Mayroong walking stick talaga kami na pang ano, actually pang ski itong stick namin eh, pang skiing. Pero nakaka-help guys kasi yung pag umaakyat, hindi na pressure yung ano, yung tuhod. Hindi na pressure siya. So ito guys. Ito yung rock guys oh. Yan, dyan ako na nagpa-video kay daddy. So pabalik na kami, pababa. Ito na yung ang view, pababa. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh. Diba? Ang ganda. Yan. So, how many minutes, Dad? From our when we get here? Half an hour? Oh, yan, ito yung rocks guys. Oh, yan nakikita nyo doon sa baba. Mamaya ipakita ko guys. So, ito. Yan. So imagine, that's quite nice view there. Hello guys. Hello. Yan. Yan ang view. Oh, ganda. So, hindi ito recommended guys sa ano, sa pag yung may health problem. Hindi ito recommended na umakyat dito. Hindi talaga suitable. Even yung may mga hika, may mga heart problem talaga, hindi pwede dito guys. Grabe. Hihingalin ka talaga. Yan na yan. Yan as Daddy George. So ito yung view, pababa na kami. Siguro mga it's take as 20 minutes or half an hour maybe to go back to the car. Yan. Yan. Daming magaganda dito na mapupuntahan na ano sa amin sa Belfast, sa Northern Ireland. Yan. Tingnan nyo ang view. Yun, may ano kami guys, may stick kami. Ito pa ano na, pababa na siya. Yan, pababa na. Tingnan nyo yung view. Wow. Wowie. Yan. Maganda lang kasi nakaano kami, nadala namin yung walking stick namin. So, you're right, Dad? So, naka-grip. Kakahirap talaga kasi medyo madulas din pag yung pababa. Yan, ito. Tingnan nyo yan. Pababa yan. Very steep yun, guys. Pero hindi masyadong maklaro sa ano. Yan. Yan. It's quite nice the sky, Dad, with a few clouds floating. Isn't it? Look. Kanina, sa bahay kanina, grabe yung quite heavy yung fog. Yung very foggy talaga siya kanina. Nung umalis kami sa bahay, until halfway, papunta dito. Mabuti na siya, nagsani na siya. So, wala na yung mga clouds, yung fogs. Wala na. So, ito yung ito yung view. Yan. Look at now. See not the rocks now. Oh, it's alright, Daddy. See the rock, the one there? Yeah, that one just behind of it. Doon ako kanina nakatayo, guys. It's a little bit level, isn't it? Of the top. You know, the one that sa likod, guys. Oo, doon ako kanina nakatayo. So, na-achieve namin yung today namin na na walking. You know, tingnan nyo. Grabe, parang rice terraces, pero it's look like a rice terraces, Dad, but it's rocks. See, guys? See that one there? Yan. Grabe. Does that help you stick, Dad?